Sounds tell us a lot about things around us. Sounds keep everything moving. Sounds tell us when someone is calling or when it's time to wake up. At home, they provide us with day-long entertainment through radios and television. Today, let us investigate the characteristics of sounds. Our learning competency today, investigate properties and characteristics of light and sound. Our learning objectives, identify the different characteristics of sound, infer that sound can be loud or soft, appreciate the importance of sound in our lives, and perform various activities to describe the characteristics of sound. Activity 1. Facing a wall, stand for at least 10 meters away. Then, make a sharp sound by clapping your hands or by hitting a drum hardly. Wait and listen for the sound to come back. Next, try shouting, then listen to the sound you made. Repeat this using a bell. Observe the sound you made when you shouted and when you ring the bell. Now, answer these guide questions. Number 1. What did you observe when you clapped your hands? When you hit the drum and shouted against the wall? Number 2. What kind of sound did you hear when you shouted at the top of your voice? How about when you tried ringing the bell? Number 3. Did the sound bounce back? And lastly, what does this activity tell us about the characteristics of sound? Sounds can be reflected or absorbed when it hits a solid material. When a sound hits a solid material, such as concrete wall, it is reflected. Reflection of sound produces reverberation or echo. In the next videos, try to find out the difference between echo and reverberation.
Shout.
It doesn't work.
It does, I heard them do it.
Hello?
Yeah. I know, echoes can be heard across the... There you go. Hello! Carson! That's insane.
Chris!
Those work better. Welcome to this video. This is an example of very poor reverberation time. Approximately 6 seconds that I can hear it. My hearing is not that amazing. Anyway, this is why if you are planning a church building or any sort of an indoor space where you can have gatherings, it's really important to have acoustically balanced materials like carpet and sound paneling, if you can afford it, to reduce the echo time, because it's actually really hard to understand somebody.
Any conversation gets a monologue that you can't understand, even with just 2 people in the room.
It's very strange. Anyway, I hope this helps you if you were thinking about putting no sound absorbing materials. Again, this is concrete and drywall, which have very similar, any hard surface, painted wood, is going to have a similar ability or lack thereof to absorb sound. Talk to you later.
Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it causes movement in the air particles. These particles bump into particles close to them, causing them to vibrate and bump into more air particles. This movement called sound waves keep going until they run out of energy. If your ear is within range of the vibrations, you hear the sound. When the vibrations are fast, you hear a loud sound. When the vibrations are slow, it creates a soft sound.
Drop it.